Hey folks, this is just a little video. I wanted to show how to get the Google project ID without having to have it preset, and I'm using Go code to do this. Now normally in Python you can do something as simple as this, and that gets you the project. However, in Go, when you pull up the creds, you'll notice the project ID is blank, and I can show you that right here. The problem is that find default credentials in the Go code, the Google OAuth 2 library for Go, doesn't pull up the gcloud command line project information. And if you're running in Cloud Shell, it has one more problem where it assumes you're running on Google Cloud Engine because that's where Cloud Shell runs, and it tries to get the project ID from the metadata, which turns out to be blank. So our little hack here is to just actually run the gcloud config command, and we can run this ourselves. In order to respond with what we want. So that works there. I also tested this on my local computer, not using Cloud Shell, and it works. And deployed into Cloud Run, it works as well, except in that case, it's able to actually get it from the default credentials using the GCE metadata service. And so you might be wondering, like, where is this information stored? This information gets stored when you say set project and then a project, and that appears under the config directory and gcloud. And from there, you'll see active config. And if you look at that, kind of hard to see there. Default, and then if you look under the configurations directory, you will see config default, and if you get that, then that's actually going to have your project in it. So it's not the smoothest way. You can still set that in an environment variable if you want, but I like to do this for my projects so that developers, when they go to setup, they really just need to remember one thing, and that's to install gcloud and set the project like that, and everything works both in Python and in Go after that.